Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the U.S. state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google Account Lock security feature on an Android device, also known as the FRP lock for Factory Reset Protection. Now, here with us today, we have the Canadian version of the Samsung Galaxy S20, and this is a device that does indeed have the Google Account Lock enabled, because as we can see here, as we're going through the setup steps, we get to the screen that tells us that the phone was factory reset, and to continue, we have to either verify the previous security screen pin lock that was used, or if we tap on Use My Google Account instead, we'll get this screen giving us the option to sign in with the previous Google account that was on it instead. So we've been contacted by tons of customers over the years asking us for assistance with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves accidentally got locked out of their own device and couldn't remember or recover their login information after having done a factory reset, or because they purchased the device used from a dishonest seller who didn't tell them that the device was locked. And then after the purchase, the buyer discovered the lock, and obviously they weren't going to have the login information for the previous user, and the seller has usually long since disappeared in that case, since it's a very common scam that happens all the time these days in the buying and selling of used mobile devices. So we're making this video to let any interested customers know that we do offer a service to be able to get that lock removed from this exact model without having to have the previous login info. It's a procedure that we do directly to the device while it's plugged into a computer, and the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet and perform the exact same procedure that we just did here with this one. So, as you could very clearly see, the device was on the Google Lock page, and then I just plugged it into my computer here and ran our unlock program on it, and after the phone restarted, you'll notice that it now went directly to the lock screen instead of to the setup wizard, and once we swipe that away, we can see that we have access to all of the apps and settings and features, and it's just like a brand new device that never had the lock on there. So that is your visual proof that this can indeed be done. And then just to verify exactly which device we are working with here, we're going to jump in the settings and see that we do indeed have a Galaxy S20 5G, and then that model number there, the G981W, that's the model number of all of the Canadian versions of the Galaxy S20. So, if you have a Canadian Galaxy S20 and would like help getting the Google Lock removed from it, we would love to assist you with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down below in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all of the info there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.